In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung television not working. So whether you're seeing a black screen or your television's just not working in general, then I'm going to show you a couple of things we can do to go and solve this. Now the very first step is you just need to come around to the back of your television and we're going to disconnect any connections going over to the TV. So this could be HDMI cables, basically anything that we have connected to our television. You just want to go ahead and remove all of these different connections. Now, once you've done that, come over to the main power supply, which is your power cord that runs from your television to the wall socket. And we're just going to unplug the television from the wall socket like this. And you need to leave this unplugged for around about 45 seconds. Now at the same time of this being unplugged, we're just going to come around to the front of the television and you need to locate the power button on the physical device. Now on this particular television, I can find the power button just underneath the Samsung logo. Sometimes this can also be on the left or the right of the television, so you'll just need to go and find that button on your particular device. Now once you've found this power button, we're going to hold this button down for around about 45 seconds and this will drain any residual power that's left in the TV. So once you've done all of that, you can then go in, replug your television back into the main power supply. Now don't connect any of your devices yet, so leave all of your HDMI cables and everything like that disconnected, and you can try turning on your television and checking if that solves the issue. Now if it is working with all of your devices disconnected, then you can try reconnecting them individually one by one and trying to rule out an issue with a particular device. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.